Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting right away. Plug the external drive into your laptop, then confirm the system recognizes it. Make sure the drive format is compatible and it has at least 10% spare space. This prevents partial writes. Create a top-level backup folder so files don't scatter, and disable sleep or screensaver, otherwise transfers can fail. Now open your file manager, select key folders like Documents, Desktop, Pictures, and begin an initial copy. This full transfer establishes a baseline for future incremental backups. Once the baseline exists, pick the tool you prefer. Built-in backup utilities offer scheduling and versioning, while rsync or robocopy give precise control and faster deltas. Configure exclusions, skip caches, temp files, and unnecessary large media to save space and speed up runs. Select incremental or differential mode so only changed files copy after the first run. Make sure file permissions and hidden files are included if you need them, and then run a quick test restore of a single file to confirm the process. Finish by verifying data integrity. Run a checksum tool or compare file sizes and dates to ensure nothing corrupted during transfer. If your backup contains sensitive documents, enable drive encryption or use encrypted archives before storing them. Configure an automated schedule so backups run without manual effort, and always use the OS eject/safely remove procedure before unplugging. If a transfer fails, check drive health with smart diagnostics and retry after repairing file system errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.